Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Xavier Smith, and today I'm going to be talking about how to find the interquartile range and what you can do with it. So first, let's talk about what is a quartile. Well, a quartile is basically like if you have one of these like box plots, it is just 25% of the data points. So, but the two quartiles like that we mean here are the middle 50%. So 25% of the data points in the middle on one side, like lower end, then 25% on the upper end. So these like little like lines over here are just 25% of the data points that aren't in the middle 50%. So usually we wouldn't care about these for interquartile range. So 25% of the data in the middle is quartile 1, like on the left, and then quartile 3 will be to the right of that. So what we have is 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. That's what a box plot does. It just separates these things into quarters. That's why they're called quartiles. So we have quartile 1, which is from like 25% to the center, and then quartile 3 is from the center to like 75%. So whatever that means, right? The two boxes. That's all that we care about. So from the start of the first box is quartile 1, is the point quartile 1, and then to the end of the third box is quartile 3. So our interquartile range, which is just the range in between the quartiles, so from the end of this box to the start of this box, just however much this is, that's what interquartile range means, and by definition, is quartile 3 minus quartile 1. That'll just give you the range of this. So if we look at this graph, this is like approximately 5. Quarter 3 is approximately 5, and quartile 1 is approximately 3. So the IQR of this graph equals 5 minus 3, which equals 2 units. So we have 2 units. When you ask for variability, well, when you're asked to describe a distribution, or like what is the variability, use interquartile range, because like there could be like outliers out here, and the 25% could be way further. It's way more reliable just to use interquartile range. So now, after you're like, well, I guess I can say the variability, like the range, you're like, now what can I do with interquartile range? Well, there's a way to find outliers using it. And the formula is like low outliers are less than quarter 1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range, and then high outliers are greater than quarter 3 plus 1.5 interquartile range. So we could do the formula, but there isn't any outliers here. So I just wanted to give you these formulas. We can do them in another video, that you can find possible outliers by using the interquartile range. So it's important to describe range of the function, range, and then to find outliers. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.